Namaskar. Welcome to Exercise Explained. In this video, I'll be doing question number 9, Exercise 5C of Thrust in Fluids, Archimedes Principle and Flotation, ICSE 9th Physics. The previous questions have been done in the previous videos, the link for which will be there in the description below. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. Starting with the 9th question. A weather forecasting plastic balloon of volume 15 meter cube. So volume of the balloon is given as 15 meter cube. Contains hydrogen of density 0.09 kg per meter cube. The volume of an equipment carried by the balloon is negligible compared to its own volume. So we are not supposed to consider the volume of the equipment. The mass of an empty balloon is 7.15 kg. So empty balloon mass is given as 7.15 kg. And the balloon is floating in air of density 1.3 kg per meter cube. So I have written the given data on the right side. The volume is 15 meter cube. Density of hydrogen is given as 0.09 kg per meter cube. Mass of empty balloon is given as 7.15 kg. Density of air is given as 1.3 kg per meter cube. Now we need to find the mass of hydrogen in the balloon. So for finding the mass of hydrogen in the balloon, we know a formula: density is equal to mass by volume. So here density of, definitely it's going to be of hydrogen, is equal to mass of hydrogen. So we would write it as mH divided by total volume. So mH will be equal to rho h into V. So rho h, we know it as 0.09 into V is given as 15. So 0.09 into 15 gives me 1.35 kilograms. So we have got the mass of hydrogen as 1.35 kilograms. So we have got the first part of the question. Coming to the second part of the question, in this they have asked, the first part is done, here this is done. So the mass of hydrogen and balloon. So mass of hydrogen and balloon will be equal to mass of hydrogen plus mass of empty balloon. So we will write that as mass of hydrogen and balloon. So MHE I'll write, that is H stands for hydrogen and E stands for empty balloon. So that would be MH plus ME. So MH, we know it as 1.35 plus ME, we know it as 7.15. So I've got 1.35 plus 7.15. That gives us 8.5 kg. So mass of hydrogen and balloon, we got this as 8.5 kg. Now the next thing that we need to find here is total mass of hydrogen, balloon and equipment if the mass of equipment is x kg. So here we will write total mass. So here I would write that simply as total mass as, let's say, m. So m will be equal to mass of hydrogen and empty balloon together plus mass of equipment. So I would write that as mass of, let's say, EQ, where EQ stands for equipment. So here I can write that as 8.5 is MHE, so 8.5 plus MEQ is X. So we get this as 8.5 plus X. So we have got the third part. Now coming to the fourth part of the question, the mass of air displaced by the balloon. The mass of air displaced by the balloon. Now we know the density of air is 1.3 kg per meter cube. So coming to the fourth one, we will write MA, where that is going, MA is going to be mass of air. So mass of air will be equal to density, that is density of air into total volume. So density of air happens to be 1.3 kg per meter cube into total volume is 15. So 13 into 15 gives us 195. So we get this as 19.5 kg. So for the fourth one, we got the answer as 19.5 kg. Now coming to the last one, that is mass of equipment. So here we need to find mass of equipment using law of flotation. So it is very simple. We would be equating 3 and 4, these two, so these two we will have to equate. So I would write equating 3 and 4 here. Equating 3 and 4, we get 8.5 plus X is equal to 19.5. So X would be equal to 19.5 minus 8.5. So that would give us 11 kg. So we got the fifth answer as 11 kg. So that completes this particular exercise. So see you guys in the next video, in which I would be doing some other exercise. If you like the video, do share it with your friends and consider subscribing to the channel. Dhanyavad.